I think I would have tried to give myself some advice to inch towards maybe something like mindfulness or just getting perspectives from outside the bubbles I was in,
Yeah.
which is very like corporate success, prestige. Like, I don't think I had a lot of perspectives at that age, but like the world has changed so much. I don't think today's college students realize how lucky they are. Like, so many resources on LinkedIn or YouTube, and LinkedIn too. Like when I was graduating, we didn't have LinkedIn to reach out to people.
Yeah.
You can find out about so many more careers. You can travel so much easier. You can start a company so much easier.